Alrighty folks, hiking with Shawn here, and we're at Land Between the Lakes National Recreation Area in Kentucky, and we stopped at a gate. There's a road, and we're gonna hike down it because somewhere around here is supposed to be Hillman Store, and we noticed there's like a cabin up here. May not be much, maybe it's just a bathroom. I don't know, but we're gonna hike and look at it at least. I see something up ahead, but we're mainly wanting to see if the foundation of an old store is out here or something. See a bunch of deer down there. I bet deer just love this area. All right, folks, so here's the deal. We came out here before, last year. When we came out, it was pretty warm. It was really hot, and we just wanted to cruise roads just for something to do. So this is where Hillman Store used to be. When we came out here last year, it was so overgrown, we didn't see the cabin thing up there. So, obviously, daffodils everywhere. If you kind of go through here, there's like a weather station. They used to, I guess, take weather readings and stuff out there. I did notice that was on the map. So pretty interesting. You know, I didn't think we
had been here, but we had.
But when we came here, the gate was open because we drove and parked here. So I guess it's a seasonal thing, some of them. So that's what this area is. It's the Hillman Store. So pretty cool, which is interesting because Hillman Ferry is quite a ways away. So Hillman was a prominent name. Okay, folks, so when we were here last, everything was overgrown. It was summer. We didn't see this little cabin structure on top. So we're gonna hike up and see what it is. Different. Don't know. Pretty different looking. Hey, dog man. Doors open. I think it's some sort of pump house or something. Yeah, like an old pump house. That looks like a pump there.
Number 16.
Huh.
Says it right there.
So here's like an old pump or something. Self-pulling, working ahead, something. Old fuse box.
What if it's like a lift station?
Could be a lift station, yeah. So definitely has had better days. I'm not gonna go too far in. Don't know how stable the floor is. Concrete probably is stable, but don't want to get hurt. And over here, there's 10 over them. Probably telling me that. Here you go. 16. But there's probably like whales in there. So, bet it is like a lift station. Interesting. Wouldn't have seen this for sure, because you know it was all growed up. Got us a pipe right here. This is where you blow off some steam. Definitely a pretty area. Got an electric pole. Back when they ran power to this place. Very interesting. Yep. Cool. History. Probably back when the dam or the TVA project and all that was going. They used it for whatever. The Dharma Initiative. If none of you have ever seen Lost, you're not going to get that. Michelle's not getting it. She's never seen that. So,
I don't watch TV.
yeah, that was back in my TV watching days. Pretty cool. Oops. There's the old road. So that's a Hillman store and old pump station cabin thing. Hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next time, we'll see you on the trail.